We pulled into the apartment complex and we had all been drinking. Somebody in the backseat was like, motherfucker, you don't know how to drive. And I was like, oh, I don't know how to drive, do I? And so I just hit the gas and I just started like drifting around the apartment. It was completely reckless. And I see the parking spot where I usually park, but I'm intoxicated and I don't realize that I'm doing 65 miles an hour through the parking lot. So I hit the brakes and I'm going to skirt into the parking spot, and that's going to be like my grand finale.
Right.
Is to slide into the parking spot. But when I slid into the parking spot, I'm doing 60 miles an hour. It hit that big cement thing, the yellow like stoppers.
Yeah, the like curb thing.
Right over that, down the hill, into the water, into the canal. We all jump out of the car. Everybody starts running immediately. The car went into the canal. We jumped out. We ran in the house. I'm peeping out the window every 20 minutes. I don't know what to do. How am I going to get this car out? Because the car is in the water. Start partying again. We turn the music on. We're just partying like it didn't happen.